Now protection, we're going to be going into monitor, ports, and processes. So let's jump straight in. Let's make sure PLAB 10 is selected. Then we're going to click File Explorer from the taskbar, and the File Explorer window will display. And we're going to click the DVD Drive F. Now we're going to double click SCH Tools. Great. After the SAH tools shows everything, we're going to locate and open the CUR ports, CURR ports. So let's look for that. Now we're going to double click this application. Now we're going to click in C ports. We're going to click now the protocols column header. The protocols are now going to be sorted. So let's click the protocols. There we go. All sorted, baby. There we go. Now we're going to click the process name. Now everything's displaying under the process name. We're going to close the CUR ports and all open windows. So let's do that. There we are. Great. So we did that part. Now our next task is going to be to use the TCP view. So let's jump straight into that. Again, make sure we're in here, PLAB 10. Now we're going to click the File Explorer, and the File Explorer window is displayed now. We're on the left side, we're going to click the Drive F. Now we're going to go into CH Tools. Now we're going to look for TCP view. TCP view, there we are. Okay, open that up. And now we're going to click on the TCP view. We're going to open it up and it's going to say, we're going to click yes. All right. And here we see a bunch of data. Now we're going to click the protocol top column header. It's going to organize itself again by protocol. Then we're going to click the local port. And it's going to organize itself by the local port. All right, and that's basically it for that one. So we're going to close everything just to show you how it looks and everything. I think that's what they're trying to do. So now we're going to do is what's running utility. Now we're going to ensure we're back here again. Great. We're going to go now to launch Internet Explorer. We're going to go to the tools. We're going to go to hacking tools. Hacking tools. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Hacking. Now under here, we're going to look for what's running 3 bottom score 0 bottom score setup. So we're looking for this one here. What's running 3.0? Now we're going to double click that. Now we're going to click run. We're going to click run again. We're going to say yes to continue. Now the setup wizard is here. And we're going to click next. Great. We're going to accept the agreement. We're going to click next again. We're going to click next and next. And here we're going to keep the default, click next. Okay, and then here we're going to deselect this here, launch what's running. And now we can click finish. Great. Now we're going to minimize the Internet Explorer. We're going to click start, and then we're going to right click what's running. And then we're going to select more, and then run as administrator. Now we're going to click yes. So this basically gives us an overview of the process of what's running on our system. Now we're going to right click OneDrive.exe. OneDrive.exe. We're going to right click it and select stop process. Now the terminating process is going to display, and we're going to click OK. Note that the 1x, now we're going to see that the OneDrive.exe has disappeared. Okay, now cool thing is that we can actually click here and show process in tree. Now in the left pane, we're going to expand the services column. There we go. Now in the middle of the pane, we're going to click product name on the column header. There we go. Everything's organized that way. Now they're sorted by the product name. Now we're going to click current state. Let's check this out. Current state. There we go. If you want more room to see, you can see it there. Let's now select the IP connections column in the left pane. Now we're going to select over here, this column here, and then we're going to select IP columns. There we go. Now in the middle, you should recognize that the local port and the remote are in the middle here. Get out of this here. Now in the left pane, we're going to click drivers. Okay, now you can navigate through the tabs in the middle of the pane, and in this task, we'll click startup. Now we're going to clear the only checkbox, which is OneDrive. So we're going to click take snapshot. There we go. And we're going to click save snapshot. Now we're going to click the documents folder, make sure it's selected in there. And we're going to type here in the file name, it's going to be capital A B dash win W capital W lowercase in 10. All right, and we're going to click save. Now the snapshot has been saved, and we can close the snapshot window, and we're back in the main window. There we go. You're all set. Now you can take your screenshot. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one.